Hey, this is Samantha here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I wanted to show you a quick Christmas dinner sides in the air fryer. I want to show you how to cook frozen roast potatoes, frozen pigs in blankets and frozen sage and onion stuffing balls all at the same time in the air fryer basket, so that you've got some really quick sides and then you can focus on your turkey. As well as this recipe, we have more than 1,200 recipes over RecipeThis.com. We have recipes for the air fryer, instant pot, slow cooker, soup maker, bread machine and many others, and we can't wait to welcome you to our family. So these are the three that we're going to be using. I've got some luxury, perfectly crispy roast potatoes. I've got some sage and onion stuffing balls and some pigs in blankets. They've been sat in my freezer waiting for this moment so that I can see how well they air fry together. But obviously the cook time on the roast potatoes is considerably longer than everything else. So what we're going to do is we're going to give the frozen roast potatoes a head start before we add in the other ingredients. And look, some of these potatoes are huge, so I'm going to be more selective with which ones I put in, because I want things to be cooked at the same time. So there you have it. So there's the roast potatoes that we're loading in. So I'm going to start by placing them in the air fryer, setting the temperature to 180 Celsius, which is 360 Fahrenheit, and then starting on a cook time of 8 minutes. And then let's press start. And we've beat. So wow, those roast potatoes are looking fantastic already. And there you go, let's have a closer look at them. Aren't they looking amazing? Now, of course, they need the sides adding. So you want to find some space for your sage and onion stuffing balls. They can be over the roast potatoes, so we'll just give them extra flavour. Don't worry, everything will fit fine in there. I'll just say how much I'm loving the colour on that roast potato there. That's going to be the best one, I think. In goes the pigs in blankets. Just about separate those. And look, this is brilliant because this is enough here for at least 4 people for Christmas dinner, if not more. It depends on all the other sides that you're doing, and it's so much more quicker and simpler compared to cooking them all separate in the air fryer. So let's put them back in. And you're now looking at doing the same again. 8 minutes. Make sure it's still set to 180, which is 360 Fahrenheit, and then press start. And we've beat. So this is what they look like already. Oh wow, don't they look fantastic? So in with a shake. In with a boxer dog that wants some. She has a 6th sense whenever the air fryer's on, even before it starts beeping. And you want to spray it with some extra virgin olive oil, and then we're going to put it back on at a higher temperature so that we can help crisp them up. So we're going to go with 4 minutes now at 200 Celsius, that's 400 Fahrenheit. And we've beat. Oh my. Sophia uses that saying all the time, oh my. But look at those. Aren't they looking fantastic? Oh, so you've got wonderfully crispy roast potatoes. You've got sage and onion stuffing balls, and you've got pigs in blankets. You can then just throw that into a big serving platter, and then you've got 3 sides out the way, and you can focus on your other food. So here they are on a platter. As you can see, it's just so easy to do them in the air fryer. I think many people are really stressed out when it comes to doing Christmas sides. And they're thinking, I've got to do this, I've got to do that, I've got to do the other. Well, this frees up 3 of the items that are expected on your Christmas dinner table. So now relax, enjoy Christmas, and happy Christmas from Recipe This. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the Recipe This family. You can find us on Twitter, Facebook and Pinterest. We also have a weekly newsletter at recipethis.com/newsletter, where we share with you our latest kitchen gadget recipes, what we're cooking in the Milner kitchen, and so much more. As well as this, we recommend that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and then whenever we have a new video, you will be the first to know. And if you want to know about all our future videos, then I recommend you hit the bell for instant notifications. But even better, we now have a podcast. It's called Magic with Gadgets. Simply search Magic with Gadgets on your favourite podcast player and you'll find us there.